Today we're talking about 3 plugins that every mix engineer should master right now. Welcome to the Rhythm Studio, where we're talking percussion, music production, and music technology. I'm Warren Henry. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button and the alert bell so that you can be notified when we release new videos. That said, let's get into it. If you run a commercial recording business and have paying clients, then you know that time is money. I have yet to encounter a client that willingly sits back and watches me as the clock is ticking while I fix their mix. Therefore, if you have paying clients, it is a must that you have a grasp on these 3 plugins. They will help you work efficiently and quickly. Plugin number 1. Autotune is an absolute must if you produce vocals for pop, R&B, or hip-hop. Although it's been used as an effect, Autotune is great for fixing slight problems that arise with vocals and pitch.
Keyword, slight.
In other words, it doesn't magically make you a great vocalist, but it is an effective answer for tweaking problematic notes here and there. Plugin number 2, VocAlign. One of the most time-saving plugins one could use to tighten up background vocals is VocAlign. If you use the production technique of stacking multiple background vocal sections and you want them tight, then mastering this plugin will make you seem like a time-saving god. It's not a fix for incorrect phrasing. VocAlign takes an existing background track that is in tempo and time matches the vocal overdubs, giving the vocal duo or trio a cohesive result. Plugin number 3, Beat Detective or Pro Tools Elastic Audio. There's nothing worse than tempo drifting in a drum track or a groove that is not totally in the pocket. However, if the overall drum performance is somewhere in the ballpark of time, then Beat Detective and Elastic Audio can handle the rest. Both are real time savers in terms of tightening up drum tracks and restoring the pocket back to the groove. Mastering these 3 plugins is bound to help your efficiency as a mix engineer, giving you the opportunity to be hired time and again, because as we know, time is money. That's all for now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe, and oh, don't forget to say hello to the family for me.